Hello everybody, welcome back to Hard Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the paper in the memory media print on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over to the menu. Now here, go to Function Settings and go to Store and Access Files. Now go to Common Settings. And here go to Access Stored File Settings and change default settings of the memory media print. So here we have the paper and we can change it from the drawer first to the multi-purpose tray. It's basically all up to you guys. And I personally use the first drawer instead of the multi-purpose tray, but as you guys can see, after we change it, we need to click on Apply right here to actually make sure that we saved the setting. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.